Here we have some color powders, rangoli powders. These are ready-made mixed rangoli colors. For the first thing, we have to use this lavender color, and this is purple, dark purple color. I am going to use these two colors for the first one, and I am going to use this black also for the silhouette effect. First, I am going to uh, this one is fabric acrylic color painted on paper. This thing I am going to transfer into a rangoli. For this I am going to do on a board. First one, actually we need two things, these colors and a tea strainer. Okay. Okay. Is it visible now, ma'am? Okay. This is a new tea strainer. Here we have two layers. First one is very fine one, and the another one is somewhat bigger holes. So we have to remove this first. I have removed in here. This one is with somewhat bigger holes. This I am going to use it for this coloring purpose. Actually you can fill this with normal just fingers also, you can fill it, but the texture will be different than doing with strains. When you see this, you can have a different texture than using finger. So I am going to use this strainer for my painting. First I have to do with lavender color. So I am taking some amount lavender color. Okay. Just sieve it like this. Okay, now this color layer has covered this board color evenly. So remaining I am just transferring into the color. Here I am taking the other color, dark blue or purple. So I will start from outer side. Straightly go inside slightly so that color mixes well. Now you have to do as a square one. Actually I have some blue to now I am cleaning up the edges. I have not completed yet, ma'am. Just doing that boundaries alone. Okay, since this background color is dark color, I go for outline. This method, in this method, I am going to use finger drawing alone. So I am just drawing a branch. Some leaves. Here the background is dark in color, that means the floor color is dark color. So I gone for this white outline. Here also you can give white outline. This kind of rangolis require very less space alone, and it's easier to finish also in 5 to 10 minutes. No need to worry if any color spills like this. You just go off with that color. Just on the edges, I am just filling that back color. Now it's got finished. Is it nice? Okay, shall I go for second one? You can also easily wash it off. Don't use damp cloth. Use dry cloth alone. Okay, I am going to do my second project on the floor itself, floor tile itself. For that I need pink color, dark pink color and yellow color and black color. For the second thing I am going for stencil method. For this I need to prepare two stencils. One I have prepared a circle, big circle, and another one a horse stencil. You have to prepare this stencil on a chart paper, and you just have fold the opposite edges like this to lift it off from your rangoli. You can easily lift it off like this. So I need these two stencils now for doing this project. Now I go with light color first. Same technique. this light color. When doing this, you should not use fan, otherwise the colors will fly off. Okay, I am going for another color, dark color. Actually, tiles color is light sandal color, so it needs more color powder to cover it. So I am doing more times. This saving should be done at a certain height, not don't take much, very small distance from the floor. Now I have finished the two colors. Now I am going to use this round stencil and placing it here. Okay. For this, very small quantity of color powders only needed, not much. You should be so careful in giving this yellow. So already I just are finished, so I am going to give yellow in this circle alone. So take a little careful, be careful. I think it covered all areas. Just I am lifting off. Slowly you take. Here and here the marks are there. Na? You just sprinkle some color over there. Now it's gone. And here also. Here some yellow has come. So I am sprinkling this light pink color also there. Okay. Now I am going to place this horse stencil over it. When placing it, you just take care that you are keeping in the right place. I want the head to be in the half moon. Okay. I think I will go with now black color. So I am not going to sieve it now, just I am going to sprinkle with my hand. As this is a very small area, you can easily give with fingers. Okay. Now I have to lift this stencil also. Just carefully lift it up. Now you have to draw some ground for this horse. So I am going with some black. Now it's looking like a horse standing on somewhere. Now you can draw some trees or grasses like this. Now I am just finishing the boundary. Actually, you can use cloth, but you should be careful in using cloth. It's very easy to make. You can give a black border or you can leave as it is. After finishing, you can rub it up sides with cloth, with a clean cloth. have done the second one also. Now I am going for third one. Vijaya ma'am asked me to whether you can do Krishna. Yes, I made a stencil with Krishna design. The third one will be with Krishna. Stool எடுத்து போட்டுக்கோ. Stencil அதே உட்காந்துக்கோ. For the third design, I have made one Krishna stencil, and here one circle comes at the back of back head for Krishna. Now that I have drawn in another one, just a circle with a bangle. Now I am showing that how to cut. I am inserted a needle, a little hole. I am just inserting scissor. In painting and all, if we are using paper stencil na, we will just fold it off and cut it, but you should not do like this. In this case, if you fold the chart means you will get a fold, so you could not place it on the rangoli properly. So I am just cutting without folding the paper. Okay, now I have made the circle stencil, and you just fold on the opposite side. Here this is Krishna one. Okay, for the first and second I did circle here. Here I first made the light color inner circle and darker color outer circle. So but here I am going in top and bottom layers like that. So this is blue copper sulphate color, Krishna color. Okay. Just it's very easy. You have to just see with the color powders alone. Very easier thing. You can all without any knowledge of color powders, kolam and all, you can easily make this rangoli. Here I go with some darker blue. Okay, this is light blue. Oh, this somewhat darker like cobalt blue. Here for the ground I go with some darker purple like thing. Actually the purple has come a larger area, so I am just covering it. Now we have 3 different layers. Even I can give one coat with top. Now I have to go with, actually the Krishna height is this thing, so that circle must come over there. I just make a mark. Now I am placing this circle one first. Okay, I am going with white powder or column over. Got finished, so just lift it off. Now you place this Krishna over it. Now having some black color, just sprinkle on it. Now I have covered this Krishna design. Just lifting it carefully. Here I am just giving that blue background color. I couldn't make this difference in stencil, and here some blue. So this will enhance this Krishna design, and here some. no. அப்புறம் நெட்டு போவாதா? அதில் எப்படி மாற்றிக்க முடியும்? கனெக்ஷன் இருக்கா? I think this blue is not looking good, so I am just covering it. Now it's okay. Connection irukkranga. Okay. I am giving some grasses like here I go with some tree. Okay, I have finished, but now I am just adjusting the borders. Yeah, I think I have finished the edges also. Okay, I think I have finished this one. Actually, this is copper sulfate color, but in phone it's looking somewhat different color. I think we can make stencils. Ma'am, yes, we can make stencils in OHP sheets also, but cutting is somewhat tough, I think so. So I easily done with chart paper. So my second one, third one, and that first one. I think you are allowed all these three things. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. This color powders are ready-made mixed color powders available in market. Actually, in Tamil Nadu we get during December. We easily get these things. I usually have stock with me throughout the year. Okay, I think you all love this one. Any questions, ma'am? Okay. I'm just ending this session, ma'am. Thank you so much. Vijaya ma'am, Sudha ma'am, thank you.